Today we have a 2008 Mori Seiki NL3000Y/1250. The machine has a Mori Seiki MSX 850 Roman numeral 3 control. It's got a 15-inch Kitagawa chuck, C-axis, Y-axis. It's got a Rebel 102 servo bar feeder, tailstock, chip conveyor, parts catcher, and a tail setter. A tool setter, not tail setter. Tool setter. It's running at 250. That's 1,000 RPM. $17.50. That's 2,000 RPM. Machine maxes out at 3,000 RPM. Machine has 3.5-inch bar capacity. Now we're moving the turret. Hear a little sheet metal noise there. X, Z, and Y are all smooth. Here comes the tailstock. Now we're going to do the C-axis. Got a full C. Now we index the turret. Machine comes with all the tool holders mounted to the turret, which includes 3 live tools. Which we're going to run now. It's 1,100 RPM on the live tool. That's 2,300, 2,700 RPM on the live tool. All right. Okay, this machine also has an LNS steady rest with it as well. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse.